Welcome back to Broken Broke Garage. From the previous video, you guys seen that we found a lot of damage on this bed. I was going to end up using this one for the truck and paint it, but not with all that damage. We're just going to try to fix this one, which you can see how this tail light is, how it has like the body line or whatever, like 3 lines in it. This one does not have that at all, and it's like a lot wider, so the tail light don't fit in here right. So what I'm going to try to do is cut this out, and I'm trying to figure out how much I'm going to cut out, but probably backed over here because they replaced a lot in there, so I'm just going to take it past that and go in. Hopefully it turns out well. I ain't never done nothing like this, but we're going to find out if we can make it look good. We got a dent right there. I can't tell if this is Bondo or not, but hopefully it's not. It doesn't feel like it's dented from the back. Really, maybe right here a little bit. But we probably can get that out a lot easier than we'd be able to get all this out. And the whole front end of this bed too, up there, is pretty much just as thick of Bondo. So that would all have to be fixed too on this white one. So yeah, I'm gonna get both of these marked out, see what I'm cutting, and then I'll update you guys once I get to pretty much when I'm get to cutting. So this is pretty much where we're gonna cut this bed at, is where the green tape is. I gotta drill these spot welds out so you kind of don't like destroy it too bad. So that's what I'm doing now. I'll show you guys me drilling one out, and then I'll get the rest drilled out. Hopefully it goes better than it's been going. Probably not though, but here we go. No. Oh gosh. We'll get it. We'll get it. Baby. There we go. Now I'm just gonna do that to the rest of them, and then we're gonna pull that back. Hopefully there's like 2 down here that I'm gonna have to get somehow, and I'll cut this out and I'll show you guys what we're gonna try to do next. Hopefully it comes out good. So we got the piece we need from that bed. We got it over here. Now we just gotta figure out a way to cut it out so we can get it roughly. Like I was trying to say before the camera froze, we can't really get this piece to line and then mark it with the piece, so we gotta kind of like cut this out first low and then go from there. But I also gotta drill these spot welds out too on this one. So let me get all that done, and then we'll get back to you guys. So I'd get out here and update you guys. We cut a little section of this bed out so we can start to piece this in, see where else we gotta cut. That's what they had. See how they had the old stuff behind there? Yeah, we don't know. We just don't know. But, so now that we got this taped off, I gotta cut the rest of this, and then we should be able to slide this in and then see where we're gonna cut that. But I'm gonna go get me a snack. I'll cut that, and then I'll update you guys after we probably start rolling this in. After we mock it up. Mock it up. Yeah, let's get to it. So that's what we got so far, guys. I'm gonna start tacking it in, and then I'll start a time lapse of me tacking the rest. But I'll show you guys the first tack that I do. Kind of nervous. Think it should be set up well. Let's see what I got going on. Had to get some snips really quick. Snip that off. Oh yeah. So comment, let me know what you guys think. I don't know, I don't think it looks bad.
No.
Better than like missing everything.
All the lines.
Yeah. I wish that bed was good though. There's been a lot less messing around.
Oh, that should do.
We'll get it to work. Alright, hopefully we got it, no, we don't got it good ground yet. Hopefully that'll work good ground. Find out. I'm gonna try to go up here, tap that on. Oh, we need a better ground. Bear with me, bear with me. That might work.
Maybe.
We'll find out. Nope. I think this thing's always has a hard time like grounding on anything. Like people just throw their freaking ground on like anything and they usually like weld. This welder doesn't do that. Max. You guys probably like, alright, get to it, what the hell? Oh. I kind of suck at welding too, like I'm new at this though. But that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Go all down through here, up through here, just work my way all around it, but I'll start a time lapse now, so let's get this piece on. Grind down the roads like that and finish filling in the whole line all the way around. But that's for tomorrow, and then from there we'll start like making it look like it never happened. Should probably test with the tail light. Let's see if the tail light. I think this is the right one. It's dusty. Oh my goodness. Just the right tail light. Might be the wrong one. That's gonna suck. We can probably get it to fit in there though. We can bend it out. Oh yeah, it's the wrong. It was the wrong one. Oh yeah, a lot better. That looks good. You're not even gonna be able to tell. Hopefully, that looks pretty good. That's pretty surprising. I think that's the tail lights because it did it on that bed too. So. I'll come back out here tomorrow and we'll try to finish this up. But now we're definitely using this bed. It's fixed. So it's the next day, obviously. I got that pretty much all welded up. Does not look the prettiest, but I think it'll do. We should be able to hide it, hopefully. I got all this. I'm gonna finish doing all this for this video. Get some Bondo on it and stuff. But first we gotta clean it off. I got some degrease over here. Degrease it, and I'll put some stop rust on it before I put Bondo over that bare metal, so hopefully it don't rust underneath it. Don't really know what I'm really doing, honestly. This is all just stuff I'm thinking of, and I've watched a few videos on people doing stuff like this, so hopefully we don't have a problem later on with the truck. But yeah, I'm just trying to degrease this, and then I'll spray it down with some rust stopper, let that dry, and then we'll start putting some Bondo on it. So after that dries, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so you see we got the rust stopping stuff on that, so hopefully it don't rust under the Bondo. We got all this stuff right here, but I'm going to try to use this little stuff up first and go from there. We're going to get a punch on this plate. Don't judge me. That's what I got to use right now. If I can get it on there. I'm going to need a good amount. Alright, do you want to make the numbers? Do one of those numbers on it. See what happens. Put some of this hardener in there. Should be plenty. And we just gotta mix it up, really. Good. So my camera keeps freezing, but we got it back on. Now I'm just gonna put this on there. Hopefully I can do this well enough. By the time I get the truck done, I should be good at doing this kind of stuff, but we'll find out. Kinda wanna put more on than we're gonna need, so that way I have stuff to work with. If that makes sense. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go over it once or twice. But we'll do what we can. So this is pretty much what I'm gonna do, and then I'll set up a time lapse after I start sanding it down. Alright, YouTube. So the it's coming out okay. It doesn't look like it. Like you guys probably can't tell that it is, but it's almost hidden. I circled my low spots, and I'm just gonna go from there. But this is pretty much the end of this video. I'll finish this up. It's kind of boring watching me do this. So I'm going to finish all this up, make it look like it happened. I'll put the tail light in it. And the next video will be on like going through the bed and seeing what else we got to do. We got to do that hole and go through the bed sides and see what has to be done. And then, yeah, we got to get it ready for primer. So let's get to that. But like, I'm not too worried about making it too perfect, because when I primer it, I'm gonna block sand the whole bed and try to find more low spots. So if there's still low spots in it, I'll get them out then. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more.